Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. Let's talk about something that can completely change the way you travel, and maybe even the way you live. It's called mindful travel, and it's not just about where you go, it's about how you go. In this video, I'm going to explain what mindful travel is, how it's different from the typical way most of us experience travel, and how you can apply it, even in the middle of airport chaos, packing stress, or tight schedules. Because here's the truth. Any trip, for any reason, can become mindful. It just takes a shift in perspective. Mindful travel is about being present, intentional, and aware during your travels. It's not about checking off must-see sites or taking perfect photos. It's about slowing down and actually experiencing the journey. Sights, sounds, conversations, sensations, and paying attention to how travel shapes us. Instead of rushing through an itinerary, mindful travel encourages you to pause, to ask, why am I going here? How do I want to feel on this trip? What can I learn from this place, or from the challenges I face getting there? Let's be real, most of us travel in a blur. We rush to the airport, we overpack, we stress about delays, lost luggage, where to eat, and how to fit everything in. We chase the perfect itinerary instead of the perfect moment. Mindful travel flips that script. It says, don't just go somewhere, be somewhere. Don't just capture the view, notice how it makes you feel. It's less about the bucket list and more about connection, with people, with place, with yourself. Okay, so what about the parts of travel that aren't so peaceful, like airport security, packing, or delayed flights? Here's the good news. These can all become part of the mindful journey too. Instead of last-minute overstuffing, try packing intentionally. Ask yourself, what do I actually need to feel comfortable, present, and myself on this trip? Packing can become a quiet ritual, a way of preparing your mind, not just your suitcase. Airports are chaotic, but they're also full of opportunities to practice patience, observation, even gratitude. Try putting your phone down in line, look around, breathe. Watch how people move, how staff help others, how cultures mix. It turns a frustrating moment into a human one. Mindful travel means letting go of rigid expectations. Things will go off plan, and that's okay. Miss the train? Maybe you find a hidden cafe. Rainy day? Maybe it leads you to a deeper conversation or a journal session you'll never forget. Be curious. Be open. Trust the journey. Travel, when done mindfully, becomes more than just a break from your routine. It becomes a way to wake up, to rediscover awe, to see the world and yourself with fresh eyes. It builds empathy, flexibility, resilience, and presence. And those qualities, they come back home with you. You don't need to book a wellness retreat or travel solo to be a mindful traveler. You just need to approach the journey, any journey, with awareness and intention. Whether you're flying across the world or driving a few hours away, mindful travel can transform your experience. So next time you're packing your bag or sitting at gate 22, ask yourself, how can I be more here? Because that's where the magic happens. If this video resonated with you, hit the like button, subscribe for more mindful travel content, and share it with someone who could use a fresh way to approach their next trip. And in the comments, I'd love to know, what's one travel moment that made you feel completely present?